Let's make a loop bow with Lorie. So first what Lorie's done is created one loop with her gingham, leaving two tails down below. And then she's taken her leaf ribbon and she's created a loop at the top and a loop at the bottom. Then we're gonna go ahead with the 1.5-inch ribbon and we're gonna create two loops at the top, one loop at the bottom with both of our ribbon tails streaming down. So this is a really easy bow technique. It is one of my favorite that Lorie does. It is so easy and it is so beautiful popped on a wreath. Next, she's gonna pop a zip tie on this just to secure that bow. We like to use zip ties just because we find that it's more secure. And then she's gonna use another zip tie to secure it to the wreath. We always love to go ahead and cut our dovetails at the end of the ribbons. We just feel like this creates a cleaner, more precise, and more elegant look to whatever bow or design that you're creating. You can shop all of these ribbons and the wreath at tmigifts.com. That is tmigifts.com. And make sure to look on our website. We have all kinds of decor and gifts and Christmas galore. We are actually ramping up for our Christmas season right now. So be sure to check out our website. And then you have a beautiful loop bow right here. So what she's going to do is fluff it up, and don't worry about it when you're attaching it to the wreath because you can fluff it up if you smush it down a little bit. Now she's going to attach that to the wreath with her zip tie, and with a loop bow you're going to want to make sure that your loops are going up and down. Now just give it a little bit of fluffing and a little bit of shaping and make sure all your dovetails and everything are cut, and then you're good to go. And the reason that we really like these wreaths and these bows is because it's so easy and so versatile. You can swap that bow out anytime you want and have a whole totally different look. Again, I was really excited about this bow tutorial because it is one of my favorites that Lorie does. So I will definitely be referring back to this for my Christmas bows, my fall bows, and any other bows that I might be making in the future. So you can shop with us at tmigifts.com. This is what our website looks like, and we thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more.